Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. I hope everyone is doing great. This is the third week actually. So yeah, for those who wants to join the team, I hope you can see on the screen. Those packages are there, but we have something very exclusive for now. Actually, for everyone, you can just join the team for actually $150. Sorry, for $50. For $50, I think we still left with 16 people. Yesterday actually someone joined, so we still take $50 lifetime VIP signals. If you see this, just run for this because it's actually limited to 20 people and people are still joining. So yeah, let's check another thing. So just see the prices there. That lifetime is actually supposed to be $250, which means you're saving $200, right? So again, we have news trading group where if you just want to focus on the news, you can just join the team. It's $30. It's lifetime. So, and I think we left with 4 people for this. For if maybe you want me to grow your account from 350 or 300 going up, just let me know. We can grow that up to actually 2000 as a minimum target. And actually there's no split. We're not going to take the profits and stuff like that, as you're going to pay the upfront fee of $250. I hope maybe you see that. So what's really happening on the chart? The market actually tried to push up and actually trying to touch our resistance. So if I can check here, there are very good things that we can expect. Actually, this year, I think maybe the market might try to recover. Maybe Russia and Ukraine, they might find common grounds. Maybe they might find a good way to resolve that thing. And that will also help the market. In China, that COVID lockdown, they start to ease things up now. So which means things are going back to normal and stuff like that. So again, even inflation, unfortunately, last week we had some inflation, but the number were not going up or down. They just stayed at the same place, which means, yeah, at least it's not going up. Maybe next month we're gonna see the results for this actually January. Maybe things will be going down, and if maybe they're going down, that is going to be something very, very, very good actually for the market. Actually, maybe this year the market might actually recover. So on the screen there, you can see that this week for us who trade the news, I can see we have Canada, we have CPI. We're going to trade that. So yeah, we will see what's really happening. I see GBPUSD, that is not going to move that much, so we're not going to check that. On Wednesday, I see core PPI, core retail sales for USD. We might check that one out. You see, so yeah, that is actually for this week. We don't really actually have much. It's actually two high impact news that we're going to check. Remember, in the group, in the trade, in the group we trade the news. So yeah, before maybe I go on the chart, or maybe I should just do the analysis, just to make sure that we upload this as quick as possible. Because around 12 the power is gonna go off, so we have like stage 6, so the power just go off like non-stop. So I have to make things very quick. Let's see. As you know, I'm going to start with GBPUSD. So this year, guys, actually I'm going to do things in a quite different way. Actually, this year is that year we take responsibility. We have to take responsibility for everything that happens in our life or in our trading careers. If you lose, don't say maybe, oh, there was news, there was this, whatever. try, if maybe it was news, try to make sure that next time you check the news before you trade. Take responsibility. When you lose, don't say, oh, I forgot. No, make sure that you use a proper lot size. You see, that's why they say, actually, I don't actually not going to do the mentorship and stuff like that. I'm just going to focus on myself and just trade like that, you see. So that, I think, is going to be beneficial for me. And I also have targets, not like fixed targets, but they have to be flexible because the market will give us different results. So if you want to join the journey, just let me know. I'm chasing a very nice amount, not crazy big, but we're starting actually from a smaller amount, trading every day if there is an opportunity. We're not forcing the market, and see if maybe I can trade the whole year without withdrawing, without doing anything. What will happen to that account? Obviously, that account is going to grow if we are consistent, right? So, and also, I think maybe I will do a different video about this because I have a plan and it should be out there. Why? Because I need to focus on that plan for quite some time, for the whole year actually. So if I put it out there, I know maybe November, October there I will be sharing those results. So this year actually I just want to go on silent mode, no longer doing some crazy stuff. So I just want to work on myself so that I can get better results, because we also have plans. So about live sessions, I will be going on live session from actually Wednesday and also Fridays. Wednesday, Friday. Wednesday, Friday, that will be our live session. I can't go on our live session every day, especially when we have this type of load shedding like that, you see. So yeah, I hope that is all actually for now. I hope that it's all. Something that we should also check is interest rates. What will happen with the interest rates? I think maybe they're going to increase that, but not that crazy. And yeah, if they do that, obviously we will see what we can do. Yeah, but I think they're going to increase, even if maybe it's 50 basis points. I think that will be much better. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on GBPUSD? The market is actually still on a very, very nice, you can see, the market is actually still on a very, very nice uptrend. I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. I think this is quite similar to what we did actually yesterday on my weekly analysis. You can easily see that actually the market is doing what? Is still uptrending. Where we are now, it seems like the market can still go back. We have some sort of a support there. The market can touch this area before pushing to the upside. And where the market is turning, we might have a very nice resistance. Maybe the market will be creating something like this before maybe pushing up again, something like that. So let me try to be as quick as possible so that I can upload this video also as quick as possible. So what do we see on USD Canada? The market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is actually on a bullish momentum, but it seems like where we are now, the market is trying to break out of that counter trend line. It's pushing a little bit lower, but we don't know if maybe the market will reach our second support area before pushing up. I'm expecting that actually. I'm expecting the market to touch this area before pushing up. But for now, we have a very nice sell pending order there, just to make sure when it pushes lower, then we can make something. Actually, you can just call that a hit and run. You can see that the market just broke out of that support area. Then now the market retested. Now I'm expecting the market to do what? To push lower. Something like that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Euro USD. What's really happening? I think yesterday I did talk about something like this, and people, they say, how can Euro USD and USD Canada actually correlate? I never said they are like positively or 100% correlating, even though we know that they seems like to be vice versa. Look at the structure and look at this. Sorry, let me just make sure I get this right. You see this type of a move. Look how the market moved here. At least here, maybe we have a different of this moving down. But if I go back on Euro USD, you will see that there is that similarity, not quite the same, not 100% correlating. We know that they differ. You can see here on EURUSD, we also have that. We have this, then the market is pushing up. On USD CAD, yes, the market is trying to push lower, but mostly 80% of the structure is quite the same. That's why I said they move in a quite similar way, and actually I'm surprised with that. See, you can just compare that, obviously. So now we are on EURUSD. What's really happening on EURUSD? Yes, actually the market is still on that uptrend. The market is actually still on that uptrend. So what's really happening is the market is still respecting our support areas, and here the market created something very nice, a counter trend line, where the market is creating what? The highs and lows, you can see there. So where we are now, it seems like the market is rejecting, which means that might be our next resistance area. Let me remove that. That might be our next resistance area. So which means the market might create something like this. And remember guys, on Mondays, the market creates something like this. The market moves like this just to catch some people. Then the market can then push up very quick. So be careful with this. But what I see here, I think the market will consolidate before pushing to the upside. Yes, there is a chance for the market to still sell. But for now, I think maybe the market will actually try to push the upside. So I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, as I don't really want to make this video very long. Already it's longer. I can see we passed 11 minutes. So what's really happening here is it's USDJPY. JPY is very strong currently. You can see we have a very nice downtrend. The market is just pushing lower and lower. If we go closer there, you can see that we have a very nice structure that I tried to actually point out throughout our analysis. But now what we have is, after we had this sort of a consolidation, the market broke out. We have a nice sell, but it was late actually. But I'm expecting the market to push lower and reach around this area before maybe pushing up again. So which means if it pushes lower, we'll be waiting for the market to push up before we take another sell. Actually, we are actually downtrending. That's why we will look for those sell positions. So what's really happening on gold? It seems like now things are getting, the market is trying to sell off a little bit. So what's really happening is on gold, we can see that yes, the market was pushing up. Now I see two candlesticks which actually try to push lower, which means I think I will just put my resistance area there. Let me remove this. I think the market maybe might create something like this before pushing up. So I like what is happening here, but remember it's Monday. The market will just give you some fake sales, then pushes up again. But I saw that on US30 and NASDAQ, it seems like the market actually already touched our resistance. Even here, I see the market touched the resistance. So what we can do is, let's see what is going to happen. Will the market reach this area? If it reaches that area and tries to push up, yes, we're going to buy that. But for now, we're just going to wait for the market to do its thing. Still, it's still Monday, so we just need to relax. You see what's really happening here. So now we are on USOIL. What's really happening on USOIL? I hope you can see, before I even zoom like crazy here, you can see that the market is actually on a downtrend. We're expecting the market to sell as the market is downtrending. And we already pointed that out for quite some time now. So what's really happening if we go closer? We have something. We have another structure continuing with that sell. So I think that is valid because this is 4 hours time frame. So around that area, I think we can have something like this. We can have something like that and say, you know what, let's take a sell if maybe the market is going to go down like that. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame, so you can change that maybe to 15 minutes or 20 minutes so that you can get a very nice entry. I hope you understand that. So yes, on USOIL, I'm still very, very bearish on that. So US30, I also see some very nice sell there. I'm expecting the market to give us some very nice sell. We've been fighting with the market since last week. Last week, actually, it was not great for us. But you know what? We're not fighting the market. We will always bounce back. We don't have to blow the accounts because of one signal or something. You see. So what's really happening is, yes, I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower as we are on a downtrend. And around that area, I see it seems like the market is doing what? It seems like the market is respecting that area. So I think maybe we can have a very nice sell pushing lower and lower. I hope you can see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to NASDAQ. This video is very long already. You can see even on NASDAQ, if I push lower a little bit, you will see that yes, we are still on a downtrend. You can even go back and watch my previous weekly analysis. You will understand better. So, but if we go closer there, you can see that the market actually just touched our area. But we don't know if maybe the market will be, let's see. The market might be creating something. You remember this area. You see this area. I don't know if maybe the market will come back, bounce here and push up. So it means we have to be extra careful, because around this area is actually an area of support or an area of resistance. So it means if the market sells here, if you jump here, the market might retest and push up. Or there is a possibility for the market to do what? Just to continue with that sell, because I think we reached a higher area where we can just call it a resistance. Do you see that? I hope you understand that. So yes, guys, I'm still looking for 20 people just to join the team. It's January, things are tough. $50 lifetime signals. Let me know. Already 3 people joined, so just let me know. And again, if maybe you want to be part of a news trading, if you want to trade spikes, let me know also. You can join that by $30. If maybe you want me to trade for you, if you have more than $300 or $350, let me know. Our target is to $2,000, but just know that there must be an upfront fee of $250, as we don't actually do the splits. I hope you get that. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. You're making this channel to grow very nice. So thank you very much. Maybe this year we're gonna reach 10K. Actually, I really need to push this channel to 10K or maybe 15. Or let's just let's say 20K. That will be seriously great. So thanks to everyone who is here. Thank you very much, guys. Remember, our live session is going to be on Wednesdays and Fridays. So thank you. Bye.